This is the CRY8025, a handheld acoustic camera designed for quick and easy leak detection. The CRY8025 helps you to quickly locate, identify and analyse sound sources using real-time acoustic imaging, whether you're inspecting machinery, detecting compressed air leaks or investigating unwanted noise. And at just 270 grams, it's small enough to carry with you all day. To get started, press and hold the power button and let the camera complete its startup sequence. Once you're in, everything runs through a large, easy-to-use touchscreen, so checking your battery, adjusting settings and reviewing data is all done with a few simple taps. Next, choose the measurement mode for your application, whether that's leak detection, mechanical fault finding or a general acoustic survey. Then simply point the camera towards the area that you want to inspect. Because it's a non-contact measurement, you can check equipment from a safe distance without needing direct access. As the camera scans, a live acoustic image appears on the touchscreen, overlaying detected sound directly into the real-world image so that you can see exactly where noise is coming from. You can adjust the frequency range or the sensitivity to zero in on the sound that matters the most, even in noisy environments. Once you've found the source, capture an image or video and save the measurement straight to the camera's internal storage. From there, your data can be transferred to your phone or PC via the Acoustic Link app, or turned into a professional report with a leak rate and cost estimation built in. And that's the CrySound 8025, fast, accurate and designed for easy daily use in the field. For any questions, get in touch with the team at Axoft.